Understanding Gift Registry FAQ. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a topic that many of you have encountered but might not fully understand: Gift Registry FAQ. Whether you're attending a wedding, a baby shower, or any celebratory event, understanding this concept will definitely come in handy. So, let's unravel the mystery together. A gift registry is a service provided by a website or a retail store that allows individuals, often couples getting married or expecting parents, to communicate their gift preferences to their friends and family. The person or couple creates a list of items they would like to receive as gifts, and this list is then made available to their guests through the store or website. It's a fantastic way to ensure that gifts are both meaningful and useful, avoiding duplicates and making the shopping process easier for guests. FAQ stands for Frequently Asked Questions. These are a list of common questions and concerns that people have about a particular topic, along with their answers. When it comes to a gift registry, the FAQ section is incredibly helpful. It can clarify how to find a registry, how to purchase an item from it, what happens if an item is already bought, and so much more. This section is a crucial resource for both the gift giver and receiver to ensure the process is smooth and enjoyable. When you're looking at a gift registry FAQ, you'll likely encounter questions like: how do I find a registry? Can I buy a gift that's not on the registry? What happens if an item is out of stock? How will the couple know I've bought a gift? These questions are designed to address common concerns, making it easier for guests to participate in the gift-giving process without confusion or misunderstanding. Always check the FAQ section if you're unsure about the registry etiquette or process. We hope this video has shed some light on the gift registry FAQ and made you more comfortable with navigating and understanding gift registries. Remember, the goal of a gift registry is to make the process of giving and receiving gifts a joyous and hassle-free experience for everyone involved. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the English language. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.